Okay, either this trial is a big deal,
New data?
or we're about to get way too excited over something that sounds cooler than it actually is.
Just hype?
But here's the weird part. Almost nobody is talking about it. And when something in MS sounds promising and quiet,
Oh, they notice.
that's when my brain goes, wait, what? So today we're breaking this down. What it actually does, why it could be huge, and what nobody's saying yet. No hype, no doom.
Just truth.
All right, let's translate this from doctor language into human survival language. What the trial is testing. Is it repair, an immune reset, or slowing progression? And what makes it different from typical MS treatments?
The old way slows it down. The new way fixes it?
MS treatments right now are basically like wrapping your nerves in duct tape. This trial is like someone saying, what if we fix the nerve instead? Most existing MS drugs are firefighters. They calm the immune arsonist and stop new blazes. But these trials ask a different question. Can we repair damage that's already been done? Specifically, can we rebuild myelin? Remyelination just means making new myelin, speeding signals back up. In progressive MS, inflammation is less the driver. It's more about stalled repair, so restoration matters most here. Right now, Ocrevus is still the only approved treatment for PPMS. This is a pivot from defense to offense. Slowing decline is like low power mode. Repair is a battery swap. Maybe not perfect, but a real climb back up. That's the dream. Restore some function, especially for progressive MS. It opens hope for people already living with significant disability. From defensive crouch to offensive stance, take back ground. Not just hold the line. Not overnight. Piece by piece. You know what's weird? The part that actually matters is not the headline. CCMR2 showed first solid proof of myelin repair with clemastine plus metformin. VEP signals sped up, a key sign of new myelin. Meanwhile, fenebrutinib, a BTK inhibitor, reduced disability progression risk, including in PPMS, non-inferior to Ocrevus. But not all BTKs match. Tolebrutinib's PPMS trial failed its primary endpoint. Phases matter. 1 safety, 2 first signal, 3 big proof. Even wins can look modest at first. Fenebrutinib showed about a 12% reduction in disability progression, with differences emerging around 24 weeks. Think dimmer, not switch. Positive trial doesn't equal pharmacy next Tuesday. Regulators review, manufacturing ramps, access and cost get real. It's still pending further data, approvals, and a few years. Adjust expectations, keep the optimism. What could go right? A whole new category, true repair in the toolbox, not just more firefighters. Wins trigger funding, talent, and spin-off trials. Pipe 307, FTX 101, and more are already moving. Repair could ripple beyond MS, rare myelin disorders, some spinal injuries, even aspects of brain aging.
Not hype, hope with data.
Now the caution reel. Phase 2 signals can vanish at Phase 3 scale. Real-world diversity is messy. Effects dilute. Noise rises. Side effects, liver hits, infections, CNS drugs must clear a very high bar. Even wins may be modest. 10% slower progression, slightly faster gait, big science, small headline, cost, coverage, access, scalability. If it can't reach people, it can't help people. Bottom line, amazing upside, equally real friction.
Eyes open, heart open.
So what do you actually do with this information? Simple. For now, very little. Do not panic switch treatments because of a headline or this video. Your plan exists for reasons you and your neurologist agreed on. Use this as a conversation starter. Ask about remyelination trials and long-term fit. Stick to trusted groups like the National MS Society for breakdowns and trial finders. Focus on what you can control. Meds adherence, diet, movement, mental health, symptom journaling. New ICD-10 codes help track MS subtypes. Your good records matter more than ever. Be as healthy as you can today to be ready for the therapies of tomorrow. I've seen a lot of breakthroughs come and go. This one feels different, but not in a we're done here way. Why? First ever solid remyelination signal in humans. BTK progress across RMS and PPMS, multiple paths lighting up.
Suspiciously interesting.
It's early, cautious, incremental, exactly what real progress looks like. We keep watching, we keep asking good questions. This trial by itself? Important. But what it represents, that's the real story.
Piece by piece beats overnight miracle.
Repair, regeneration, precision. Multiple small wins accumulate into big change. Different teams, different mechanisms, same destination. Function back. One validated path redirects funding, talent, curiosity toward regeneration. Not a blinding flash, more a steady dawn. So, is this trial a big deal? Yes. Is it the answer? Not yet. But if this works,
Level up.
we might be a lot closer than people think. Enjoying this? Quick pause, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss real hype-free breakdowns. Tap the like. It helps other people with MS find this. Questions? Thoughts? Your perspective? Drop a comment.